These are numericals based on acceleration. See the first numerical. Starting from a stationary position, Rahul pedals his bicycle to attain a velocity of 6 meter per second in 30 seconds. Then he applied brakes such that the velocity of the bicycle come down to the 4 meter per second in the next 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration of the bicycle in both the cases. Now see children, in this question, velocity is given to you and the time is given to you. But here the two cases are discussed. Now see the solution. In first case, initial velocity, that is u, is equals to 0 as the bicycle start from the stationary position. Then after some time, that is after 30 seconds, the final velocity of the bicycle is 6 meter per second. So we know that acceleration is change in velocity upon time taken. Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity upon time taken. Now you have to substitute these value in this equation. After substituting the value, that is 6 meter per second minus 0 meter per second upon 30 seconds, you will get the answer 6 meter per second upon 30 seconds, and after calculating this you will get the 0.2 meter per second square. Now this is the first case. Now come to the second case. In the second case, it is given initial velocity, that is u, is 6 meter per second, and final velocity, that is v, is equals to 4 meter per second. And in this condition the time is given 5 seconds. Now again you have to substitute this value in the formula of acceleration. Acceleration is equals to 4 meter per second minus 6 meter per second upon 5 seconds. Now after doing the subtraction, you will get the answer in minus, that is minus 2 meter per second upon 5 meter per second. After doing this calculation, you will get the acceleration equals to 0.4 meter per second square. As the brake is applied, so the acceleration have the negative quantity, and this negative acceleration is called the retardation. Thus, the acceleration of the bicycle in the first case is 0.2 meter per second square, and in the second case it is minus 0.4 meter per second square. In the second case, brakes are applied, so acceleration is negative, that is retardation. Now come to the second problem. In this problem, a bus decreases its speed from 18 kilometers per hour to 60 kilometers per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. Here the velocity, initial velocity and the final velocity is given, and you have to find out the acceleration of the bus. Now see the solution. Given is initial velocity is equals to 80 kilometers per hour. Now here in this condition the velocity is given in kilometers per hour. So first of all you have to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. So for converting the kilometer per hour into meter per second, you have to multiply by 1000 and divide by 60 into 60 seconds. And after doing this calculation, you get the answer 5 upon 18. After cancellation and after doing all the calculation, you get the answer 5 upon 18. Now 80 multiplied by 5 upon 18, you will get the velocity, initial velocity 22.22 meter per second. Now final velocity, it is given the final velocity is 60 kilometer per hour. Again you have to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second, and again you have to multiply this value into 5 upon 18. After multiplication or after doing the calculation, the final velocity will be 16.66 meter per second. Now we know that acceleration is equals to change in velocity upon time taken, that is a equals to v minus u upon t. Substitute all the given values. And after substituting, you do the calculation, and after that you get the acceleration equals to minus 1.12 meter per second square. So the final answer is, here the negative sign of acceleration indicates that velocity of the car is decreasing, that is retardation.